me know if you are like me, that you have 20 items in your cart and then you end up paying like 4 or 5. Hello beautiful people, and welcome to Peace Diaries. If this is the first time you're seeing this beautiful face, I am Peace Okanime and you're welcome to Peace Diaries. To my new subscribers, welcome once again, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for engaging my videos, thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for being part of the family. Now let's dive into the video for today. Today I am going to be unboxing an order I got from Temu. I ordered some items from Temu and I am going to unbox them with you. Let's get into unboxing. I got my scissors here, so I'm going to try to tear off the packaging. I ordered just few items. That we need. Ordering things from Temu sometimes it's kind of stressful for me, but we go. So this is the first item. Oh, I need to still cut this thing. So the item can pass through. Okay. This is the package lagbara. So this is what I got. Can you see that? So I'm going to leave the picture up here. I got a bed cover, waterproof bed cover. You know, if you have a toddler who's put bed wet and you are potty training the toddler, of course this is essential. It's very essential to avoid the child soaking the bed, and also, you know, avoid spills on the bed. So I got this, the bed cover, and I also got some socks for my daughter. It's summer already, we're approaching summer, so I have to get some. This is small. Oh, I ordered medium. Was I supposed to order large? But I guess it was going to size that just ankle. I think this is ankle. Just size that is expandable. And I love the colors. Black, dark brown. Then I just love how the colors are: milk white, brown, black, dark brown, and coffee color. I got this set of socks. Then I also got, okay, I thought I brought this when I was coming to this country, but I didn't find it, and I need to be making my hair and my daughter's hair. So I got this ilaron pelu comb, cotton comb, and you know, she used to divide the hair while plaiting it. Then I got myself this phone stand. The one I came with is bad already. My toddler spoiled it, so I got another one. Let's open it. I did not fix it now. Why is this one difficult for me to open? Why are you difficult to open? Okay, there you go. I have opened it. Okay, so this is the stand. This is the phone holder. This is also the stand. Okay, let me try to couple it. So easy for me because I'm used to it already. Is it from here? I'll be here. Hey, wait. Something's supposed to go. No, not here. Okay, this is for this. Yeah. This is for this. Yeah. I got it. I'm getting a hand of it. Then this is the ball and sockets. Ball and socket joints. If a biology sense, you will know what ball and socket joint is. So put it in, and then you screw. Oh, I'm scrolling out instead of screwing in. You screw it in, and then open this. Then stand. Okay, screwing it in. Yeah, so this is how it is. So you can also elongate it. It's long, you elongate it, and you can make it shorter too. So I got this also for myself. So that's the end of our unboxing. So I only got 4 items. Trust me, I have like 15 items in my cart. Okay, these are the only ones I finally paid for. Let me know. Are you like me? When you're shopping on Temu, you will have like 20 items in your cart, and then when you want to pay, when you want to make your final order, you would only have like 5 or 6 items that you paid for. I don't know if it's only that does that. Window shopping on Temu, then you finally pay just few items. I wanted to buy a microphone. How did I forget? Anyway, I will still order it. But these are all what I got. So a socks, a phone holder, comb. This one is not sharp. It's not sharp. But we move. I'll use this side. And then a bed cover. These are all what I unboxed. I love that. I'm still going to size it on the bed. This is a king size bed cover, and I'm going to size it if it's going to fit. So I'm going to show you guys the video. And this socks, I think it's going to expand. It's going to expand, yeah. So we're still going to size her. So we've come to the end of our unboxing. I just got a few items from Temu. I don't know why I forgot to buy the microphone. I don't know what I was thinking. But we've come to the end of our unboxing. If you like this video, please do well to subscribe. Okay, you've subscribed already, right? For those that are watching without subscribing, please, I'm waiting. Please help me to subscribe to my channel. I'm waiting. Okay, you've done that. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Kisses. So my returning subscribers, thank you. We've come to the end of our unboxing. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and leave your comment. Let me know if you are like me, that you have 20 items in your cart and then you end up paying like 4 or 5. Let me know in the comment section. Until I come your way again, stay blessed. Love you guys.